Hey guys, running kimono here. We're gonna get super school teachery and serious right off the bat. And I just needed to do that because it's a frustrating morning over at Walgreens. So myself and Don's deals attempted to stack a paper booster with the digital, and we do that every weekend. And we're like, look at all of our stuff. It didn't work for her, and it didn't work for me. Some other influencers, it's stacking. I don't know if it's just a Sunday surprise or if they're trying to phase this out, but proceed with caution, especially if you have a very strict store that will not let you cancel or work with you. Maybe just get some of the cheaper deals, which we will look at. But I just want you guys to throw this on the back burner that something is up. Something is up. Now, there's a lot of moving parts to this, and I will be following this, and I have other influencer friends who are sharing information with me, and when I have stuff that's more definitive, I will let you guys know. But just proceed with caution, especially if you're minding those dollars and cents. And I also know that the double dips for Saturday night were not working as well last night. Have they changed the software? What's going on? Yeah, something is up, and I acknowledge that, guys. Now, what worked for me was stacking this digital 10 back when you spend 50 with this weird first aid health wellness one. And I actually found some products that are attaching with that. So I spent 50 and got back 20. No great shakes there, but still better than a kick in the pants. And I'll show you that. If you wanted to do boosters like this, I would probably try to go on Monday or Tuesday because something's up. I feel it. Could please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps out with the YouTube algorithm and to get this video out there. So please like this video. It would mean so much to me. First piece of business we're going to talk about over at Walgreens is they have this booster on the Fetch Rewards app. It's for the 19th and 20th only, but sometimes they extend it. Of spend 30 on various Unilever personal care, get back 10. So you're getting a third back. Now, this is the first deal we're going to look at that if you just have an itch to get to the store, we're going to look at that to do this specific deal. The first thing we're going to grab is two of the Axe sprays. Now, these are tagged at a price, but they were ringing up for $7.49 a pop, which is the online price as well. So be mindful of that. And if they are ringing up for $6.29, maybe grab one of the cheapy Suaves men body washes and, boom, there's a deal. You're going to get back a $4 register reward when you buy two of these. And this is the digital coupon that you need to load, which is a 7 off of 2, and it attached to that. So just be mindful of the price of what it's ringing up for at the till for this dry spray. Now, we're also going to grab one of these baby doves for $8. And there's a method to this madness. So just grab one of these ladies for $2. We have this $3 digital, so make sure you have it loaded. We're also going to grab a body wash for the same price at $8 a pop. And then just to show you the tag really quick, because I know a lot of you want to see the tag, $2 reward when you buy two, and that's both on the baby one and then this body wash one. And it did print when I bought both of those items. Load this $3 digital as well, my friends. Okay, so looking at the math for this one, you grab two of the Axe for $14.98 and then two of the Dove, a baby and a regular body wash for $16 for a total of $30.98. Subtracting $13 in digital manufacturers, you're paying $17.98, getting back $6 in register rewards, 4 for the Axe, and then 2 for the Dove mix of the baby and the body wash, and then $10 back from the Fetch Rewards app, making this $1.98 for the 4. And it is okay to use Walgreens Cash if you're not using a booster with this. And I just wanted to show you guys the register rewards. This one was for the Axe. It printed for me. Everything printed today. So there's something funny going on. I don't know what it is. And this is the $2 for the regular body wash and the baby body wash. And with the baby one, sometimes you're going to be going to a baby shower or something like that. Or if you have a baby, a really great purchase. And then $10 back from the Fetch Rewards app. You have the 19th and 20th, which is 2 days to make this deal happen. Walgreens only. Spend 30, get back 10 with Unilever. So make it happen, guys. Now, Shopkick also has this rebate of 700 kicks back when you buy one of these Axe Fine Fragrance Mist. What I picked up, is that a fine fragrance mist? I don't know, but this possibly could be another $2.80 for Aunt Rach. We won't know till this gets processed, and it still isn't processed since the recording of this video. I will pin it in the comments if I get my points yes or no and let you guys know. Okay, now if you're itching for another deal, we're still walking down that avenue for the Garnier Whole Blends or the Fructis. Now, I will let you know that with the whole blends, a couple of you have reported that the register reward is not printing, so I would do this one later in the week. The one that I did in fact do was with the hairspray, because we barely get deals for 50-cent hairspray, don't we? So I grabbed 2 of these, and if you look at the tag, this is with the Shea Moisture, Olay, Axe. They're all on the same promotion, so definitely do this one in a separate transaction, and just be mindful, 1 register reward prints per transaction, so I did this one on its own. And if you were going to get the whole blends and this hairspray, you'd have to do it 2 separate transactions. Take a breath. Load this 3 off of 2 digital. I certainly wanted that hairspray. So 2 of the hairsprays is 8 on the nose. Subtracting that digital, you're going to pay $5, get back a $4 store register reward, making it $1 for the 2 or 50 cents per. If you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. And just be mindful about that whole blends, guys. And if you were going to do the whole blend shampoo, do it in a separate transaction, because register rewards will print only once per transaction. In my Friday video, I kind of guessed that there would be a high value coupon for the All, either the packs or the liquid detergent, and certainly we got that $1 digital. So it drops this product that's $7.99 down to $2.99, and that's a little something called savings. Now, to show you what I did today, these are the 2 boosters that I was able to stack. 10 back when you spend 50, and then 10 back when you spend 30. I tried to also get the 9 back when you spend 40, and that was no dice for me, and Dawn's deals had the same result as well. It wouldn't work for either of us, but other influencers it's working, so I don't know, guys. This is my $50 basket that includes a clearance bag of Huggies pull-ups, $30 of Walgreens first aid, an all pack, and then 2 of the Axe dry sprays. So that was like $55-ish of stuff. I was well past that $50 mark to get everything to work, but it just did not work for me. And these are Walgreens some Sundays, they just don't work out. So this little guy for $5.99. We have a $2 digital. I have a niece that will use these, so that's why I grabbed them. No promotion for me other than just to get them. The $2 digital off of $5.99, $3.99. Now for that goofy booster of spend 30 to get back 10, I grabbed the following first aid products. This really big kit for $15.99, 1 smaller kit for $8.99. They're all on a promotion of buy one, get one 50% off. Get the cashier to scan all your first aid stuff to make sure that you're either getting to the $20 mark or the $30 mark, however you're going. And then I got 6 of these larger Band-Aids, because this is the one that we always use for cuts. We don't use the smaller ones. So 6 of those. Here's a tip for you guys. Scan every single barcode with the Walgreens app and see how that spend 20, earn 5, spend 30, earn back $10 in Walgreens cash. For your first aid stuff, you need to see that to make sure that you're grabbing the right stuff. For example, Johnson & Johnson Band-Aid, not coming up with that little message. But the Walgreens stuff, yes it is. So just be really smart about it, guys. Okay, so looking at this basket, we have 8 Walgreens first aid products for $30.78, 1 all pack for $3.99, 1 clearance Huggy for $5.99, 2 Axe for $14.98 for a grand total of $55.74. I had my booster loaded, which is 10 back when you spend 50. Plus, I also had that first aid one of spend 30, get back 10. I had 2 $5 manufacturer register rewards that the cashier scanned for me, so that's $10 off. Plus $10 of digitals that came off for the Axe, the All, and the Huggies. And then I paid with my debit card $35.74, and then I got back a $4 register reward for the Axe, $20 in Walgreens cash, 10 for first aid, and then 10 for $50, and then $10 back from Fetch for this purchase. Now, the 700 points back from the Shopkick app, will I get that? Yes or no? It's still up in the air. Remember not to use any store register rewards or Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. And that booster of spend 40, get back 9, I did explain it to the manager and they just gave me a credit for that. But I don't believe in the future, if it's over, I'm going to just stop using them because it's going to be hard to get that booster. Like, they won't credit you all the time. This was a unique situation today. To show you again, like, this is the one that did not work for me or Don's Deals. And I know that a lot of you, even if you would explain it at the store or try to call customer service, it's going to be a hard and fast no. And they live for that moment to say, well, you can't stack two. And if they did in fact change this, I'm going to follow all the moving parts for this, guys. But yeah, something is definitely in the water or the air today. Do not like this, but we'll figure out deals. We'll just do smaller deals then. If they want to do this to us, fine. We're smart. SMART. We will figure this out. So we'll figure it out. You could tell I'm frustrated, so we'll figure this out. The final deal that we have is if you have a smaller paper booster like this, $5 of Walgreens cash when you spend $20. We're going to grab 4 of these dishwasher products because I love this promotion. This is $5.49 and it's $5 reward when you buy 4 of them. Here's the tag. I know a lot of you are like, I need to look at the tag. Here it is, guys. And she's on her own promotion this week, which I like to see. So we have a bunch of digital coupons, and this $2 one is attaching to this gel powder, which is really fabulous for dishes. Load it. And then we're going to grab a couple of these guys, also for $5.49. And we have 2 digitals that are attaching to this Cascade product. So here it is. And there's another one from a couple weeks ago. If you loaded it and did not do the deal, you should have $6 of digitals for this. 2 for the Cascade, and then 1 for the Cascade liquid. Make sure that all 3 are loaded. Looking at the math for this, 4 of those Cascade products, $21.96. Scan that booster, 5 back when you spend $20. $6 of digitals melting off. Pay $15.96 with your debit card. Get back $5 in Walgreens cash for the booster and a $5 register reward, making it $5.96 for the 4 detergent products or $1.49 per. That is a steal, guys. Remember not to use any store register rewards or Walgreens cash with this booster. Just be smart about it, guys, or it's going to mess it up. Okay, guys, before I take off, if you are a Dollar General shopper, we're going to have a video this week on a $20 basket with this 5 off any day deal, along with the Saturday 5 off 25 and this 5 off 20. That's $10 off a $25 basket. OMG. It's a little gift after today's not so great haul at Walgreens. So anyhow, load this and we will have a video later this week. As always, thanks for watching and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.